Hey, real estate agents. I'm Eddie O'Neill, president of Coastland Mortgage. Today, I just wanted to talk to you quickly about three subjects that are going to have a significant impact on your business over the next couple months. First, I want to talk to you about why it's going to get more expensive for your clients to actually purchase a home. Two, I wanted to talk to you about rates, where they are today, and what you should be telling your clients. And then lastly, I just wanted to touch on new home sales and what the data is showing. So, with regards to homes getting more expensive, Fannie Mae recently announced that on November 16th, they're going to do away with their minimum down payment program, which only required a buyer have 3% down payment. They're going to remove that program entirely, and along with it goes our most popular loan program, and that's 3% down with no PMI. As you can see, 3% down with no PMI would be pretty popular in this market. Um, the next level of down payment, which is going to be the new minimum, is going to be 5% down. So it's not significantly higher with regards to percentages, but when you're talking about larger loan amounts, it does make a big impact and it could disqualify some of your buyers. So what you need to do is you need to have a conversation with them what they expect to put down. And if you have some 3% buyers, they're going to need to act right away or get re-approved at 5% down, so you're not wasting your time. We do have our 5% down, no PMI program in conjunction with that. So that's a great loan program, and it's going to give your buyer the most purchasing power because they're going to have the lowest payment. The other alternative is FHA financing, but that's a very expensive alternative because they have significantly higher mortgage insurance requirements, and the mortgage insurance in most cases actually stays with the loan for the duration of the term. So it doesn't go away when you hit that 80% threshold. It stays with if it's a 30-year loan, it will stay with that loan for 30 years for as long as the buyer has it. So that's why it's a very expensive alternative. Rates, interest rates today are in good shape. They're at the lowest point they've been in several months. They've come down over the last week about 0.4%. So if you have a buyer that qualified for 4.625 last week, they should get a rate of 4.25 today, all things equal. So that's will have a significant impact on their payment, when you're talking about these larger loan amounts. What should you be telling your buyers? Because we're at a very low point over the last several months, we're at a low point in the range, and there's a lot of resistance keeping rates from going any lower, which usually indicates that they're going to creep a little bit higher. So if you have someone that's closing in the next 30 to 45 days, it might be a good idea for them to lock in their interest rate today. Lastly, I wanted to talk to you about new home sales. And when I'm talking new home sales, I mean, coming from a builder, actually brand new homes. The data is showing that they're actually in a bull market because the supply of new homes is actually below 6 months. It's at a 5-month supply, and that indicates a bull market. So what can your clients expect to face because of that? Well, builders are going to be less likely to negotiate with them. They're going to be less likely to give incentives or reduce the amount of free upgrades they give, or even the amount of closing costs they're willing to contribute to help pay your closing, or the amount of money they're willing to contribute to help pay your closing costs. So the other big thing is that buyers should expect new home prices to actually increase. So if they're actually in the market for a new home, they should act now before home prices go up, and then they get less money for their dollar. They get less bang for their buck because they're going to pay more and get less as far as incentives. And that's about all I have for today. So if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. My number is below. You can always find us on Facebook for daily updates that you can use in your daily sales calls and routines. Check us out at facebook.com/Coastland Mortgage. Have a great day.